Hi guys, welcome back to Rosabelle TV. Now, let's see how to repair a hairline cut in a hairline pattern of PCB. First, on the damaged part of a PCB or printed circuit board, lightly scratch the damaged part of a PCB pattern. In order to remove the color green overcoat film. Once the overcoat film is removed and the copper layer is exposed, apply a solder coat on this part. Make sure to solder it properly and avoid further damaging the pattern due to overheat application. And then, using a thin strand of wire, solder it together to act as a solder bridge between patterns. The result should be perfectly like these. Hope you like it, and feel free to comment below, or ask a topic you like to be featured on this channel. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.